Welcome back, everybody. So guys, in this lecture we'll be talking about the listing again, but now we're going to talk about the nested lists. So how we can make the nested list? First of all, we have to make a common list. We can use the list in both ways. We can nest the list in both ways, the UL or the L, whatever you prefer. So I'm using the LI for now, and inside the LI I'm just putting something like, again, the cup or the T, whatever spelling you got in your mind, no problem. T, whatever I got, I just put it in sugar. Okay, that's awesome. Save it, go to the browser back and check this if it's working fine. Refresh the page. Okay, I got all these three things, but now go back to the notepad, to the code editor. Inside any LI where you just want to make your nested list, maybe you want to create the nested list inside this LI or this LI or this LI. I'm just going inside this this TLI and line breaking, going inside. Okay, first of all, we are just breaking the tag. Okay, we're adding a line break here, and inside that I'm just using the UL. Okay, and go inside, and then you know now the general way starts means inside the UL you're making another LI, and here for the T I'm just putting something like hot water. Okay, milk. Save it, go to the browser, refresh that. Now you can see that it's inside that, even its style is changed, you can see that. And if I just go there, means inside the LI, after the data of the LI, but before the ending tag, we have to add a line break, then we have to add the UL, and inside the UL, you know the way the LIs. Now a list which is already nested inside that list, like this hot water, I'm line breaking and adding another UL like that, UL, and here I'm just going inside and putting the LI, and here I'm just typing a burner, whatever. And here I'm just typing flame, whatever I got in my mind, I'm just typing. That's not a really important matter. Go to the browser back, we just need to see how it works. You can see that even its style is another change. The T, hot water burner, means you can see that the hierarchy of the data means it's actually working. What if I just change this UL into OL? Save it. Now go to the browser and refresh that. You can see that it's still working, but now it's starting from 1 and 2, means now they are ordered lists. That means it's actually working. In the same way, if you just use the I'm just simply copying all them, the whole list being copied by me, and I'm just simply changing this, the ending tag, or in the starting tag and the ending tag of the UL into OL. So go to the browser back and refresh that. Now you can see that 1 2 3 4. Now this is 1 2, but the hot water and the milk one means this one is still the UL, so I'm just changing it to OL. So now this one has all the OLs. Now you will see the changes in them, 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 and 1 2. So I think this is kinda cool, and we just got the result of them. So now we're allowed to proceed to the next one, but a few things that we still, in a nested mode, we still can use the different kind of variables, like if I just want to use the start variable, and here I'm just typing start from 4, save it, go to the browser, it's starting from 4, but these are starting from 1 and 2 because we didn't put that variable, that attribute to them. But if you just want to put that, just simply go there and space, and in this OL I'm just adding the start, and here I'm just putting -10. Save it, go to the browser, refresh. -10 means that one should be -9, but this is again the 1 and 2. So this is how it works. And in the 1 and 2 I'm just adding the value instead of the start, and here I'm just putting something like 18. Save, go to the browser, come on, and refresh it. Now you can see that 18 and 19, that means it's actually working, all things are fine. So this is how you simply can make the ULs and the OLs. I think you just got it. So in the next lecture, we'll be talking about some more things. Stay tuned and goodbye.